if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and them over there. They looking over here. They giving me a stare like I can't. Like I can't. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, but don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that. 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 I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not with me, alright. Wish how they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off, this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shoving my sauce, been writing these songs since 40 and key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been decking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass. I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna breed me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Isee Hair on Amazon. Shout out to you, Isee Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Now I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. I ain't got a whole lot of details about this unit. Hopefully I will have all the information down below in the description box or over here on the side at the time that you guys watch this video. But bear with me, honey, okay? I'm just gonna give you what I got. Alright, so this unit is a 4x6 glueless wig. Baby, that's all I got. That is all I got from the company. Let me see. I think the inches is on the back. Okay, here we go. I got a little bit more on the paper. So the texture is water wave and it is 16 inches stretched length. So stretched out is 16 inches. So those are all the details and specs. As you guys can see, this unit is pre-colored. It came pre-tweezed. It came, what else? Pre-tweezed, pre-cut lace, all those things. Like, honey, she is literally a throw on and go. Like, I am wearing it completely glueless, no adhesive whatsoever. I just got old girl plopped on my head, and it came with the curved part, which I was definitely happy about because, baby, I be struggling with them curved parts. Like, I love them, but I be struggling with them, okay? So I definitely love that the part came already done, okay? As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit of shedding, nothing to write home about. Just want to throw it out there so you can't say and say, because I told you, girl, okay? I told you, girl. So, yeah, I think you can expect a little bit of shedding, nothing like extreme. As far as tangling, I did not experience any tangling. I rarely experience tangling with water wave wigs. Like, baby, that is like one of my favorite kind of textures. It's just very easy. It's very lightweight. I love that, especially in the summer, okay? I just do. As far as it being big head friendly, it does have that adjustable strap in the back. the elastic band. It does have the removable combs. So the combs, you can take them out if you want to. If you're not a comb girly, you can get rid of them. Or you can keep them in. So it does have those removable combs. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. Honestly, I could not think of a con because it's just the perfect beginner-friendly wig. Let me see. Maybe if I would have to say anything, the density is not very thick. It is a very super lightweight wig. So if you prefer super thick hair, then it may be a con for you. It's not a con for me, but it may be a con for you. So I'll just throw some out there. That's what I got. The pros, I love the color. I think it is a gorgeous color for, we heading into summer at this point. It's a gorgeous color for summer. I love that it's super beginner friendly. It's pre-tweezed, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-everything. Heck, even pre-style, baby. It's like getting one of my syntheticals, and you know I love the syntheticals, girl. So yeah, those are gonna be my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. Baby, I struggle with the cons, so you know I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright, y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if it's a vibe, if you're feeling it like I am. Sound off down below in the comments. So once again, shout out to you, Isee Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, all those things, sound off down below in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. And if you're not going to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltonMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty.